Examples of stakeholders. A product manager usually plays the role of a product owner, so in that instance is not a stakeholder strictly speaking, since he or she has a role in the Scrum team. However, the senior product manager is an example of a stakeholder, having a vested interest in the outcome of the project. A head of department who is actually responsible for the success or failure of the department's project is a stakeholder, since the success of the department is directly related to the quality of the finished product. Directors on the non-executive board stand to see their shareholders profit from the product and have a vested interest in it. Other examples of stakeholders are marketing managers, support team managers, and legal representatives. The product owner should be familiar with the stakeholders, since he needs to interface with them in order to make sure the requirements are in line with the business.